What's up everyone, and welcome back to Craft Computing. As always, I'm Jeff. Starting this next week, I'm going to be changing up the release schedule for videos here on the channel. My normal videos you've come to expect, whether it's an in-depth tutorial or build guide or product review, those are going to be moving to a Tuesday release from now on. Starting today, Fridays are going to be more of a rapid-fire style video. It could be a vlog, it could be a beer event that I visited. Today we have an unboxing. It could be a product review or two that may not deserve a full feature-length video, but I still want to review and get in front of you guys. So, with all that said, welcome to Friday Flights. So, back behind me on the counter here is just a few of the products that I received this week, so let's open these up and see what I got. Starting with this box from IX Systems, the people behind FreeNAS, thanks for sending this over. You got a handwritten note. Hey Jeff, we hope you enjoy the swag package. Nice, your friends at IX. So, got a whole bunch of FreeNAS stickers. Very cool, thanks guys. Got two t-shirts, nice. Nice, IX Systems, Enterprise Storage and Servers by Open Source. Very cool. Ooh, and a FreeNAS shirt. Nice, FreeNAS and IX Systems. I like it, thank you guys so much. That's awesome. Oh, got more in here. Ooh, a couple of bracelets, FreeNAS bracelets. 3 of those. And a whole bunch of notepads. Excellent, I can never have enough notepads. That's awesome. It's got the little free BSD devil on it. Nice, thank you guys so much. Alright, one of these boxes, well, 2 of these boxes, I already know what's in them, so... this one is actually 2 products that I'm going to be probably reviewing next Friday. They came from 2 different companies, and they are a knockoff Game Boy Advance flash card. The first one I bought off Wish, and it is a 999 games in 1. This has some interesting things about it, so we'll get to that when we do the full review next Friday. The other thing in here is a card that I see on eBay all the time, and this is the SuperCard Mini SD, and it uses a mini SD card, if you couldn't guess that by the name, which is just a weird format of an SD card. I've got a micro SD adapter in here. But this has some weird quirks about it as well, and again, we'll get into this next Friday. Alright, and this package I picked up last Saturday, and I actually haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited. This is from Rogue Brewing. Apparently I have a couple fans over at Rogue. Oh, very cool. We got some beer. We got the Rogue 10 Hop IPA. Very nice. Ooh, and very nice. I've been wanting to try this one. This is the Rogue Double Chocolate Stout. It's a 9% double chocolate stout, obviously. Really good reviews. I can't wait to try this. Got a bunch of Rogue stickers, a couple of bumper stickers. And nice Rogue hat. Very cool. I am digging that. Thank you guys so much. I do know what's inside this box. As you can see, I've already opened it, but I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of probably either next Tuesday's or the Tuesday after that product review that's coming up. Oh, good lord. Oh. All right. So if you hadn't figured it out by now, this is the Sound Blaster Katana. It is a soundbar and subwoofer that is made for large format monitors. And if you hadn't noticed, I recently purchased a 43-inch large format monitor, and my Bose companion speakers have been kind of pushed over to the side, which is exactly what this is designed to mitigate. So I can't wait to get this mounted, can't wait to get it plugged in, get it tested, and get a full review out for you guys. And last but not least, I discovered a electronics recycling place that's about 3 miles from my house, so I gave them a visit and got this stuff. I got 2 Corsair CX430 power supplies for just $5 each. These are 80 plus power supplies. They're ketchup and mustard cables, but they are braided, so they're decently nice, but for $5 you can't complain. And I also picked up this 22-inch ViewSonic 1080p monitor for 20 bucks. So again, pretty solid deal. Another monitor that I can put behind me, used Benchmark, and this one actually might live upstairs on my VR rig. As far as other things coming up on the channel, the observant among you may have noticed that my Threadripper is back in the Inwin 303, which is going to be its permanent home. It's been in and out of a couple different cases since the original build back in December, which if you want to see what this is going to be, go and click right up here. I finally got the custom water block in for this. I've got the hardline fittings. I've got a couple other things on the way. I've got a full set of custom sleeved power cables on the way. A couple other things that you guys don't know about too that are going to be a little bit of a surprise. I did try these fans in this system this last week. I don't think these are going to stay. I'm not liking the look that this gave the case. So those are going to be swapped out for something else. But more info on that build coming very shortly. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, click the bell to get notified. I'm sure you're well aware of how YouTube works at this point. Follow me on Twitter at Craft Computing, and join me every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday right here on Craft Computing for new content. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers, all.